Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Canva and Blaze AI. In order to do so, here we are at canva.com and we're also at blaze.ai. And the main difference between the two of them is Canva is much more engineered towards creating designs of various sorts. You can create whiteboards, you can create calendars, you can create invitations, presentations. You could just see here that there are a variety of things that you can create with Canva, but it is all centered around design. Blaze AI, on the other hand, while it does have some design functionalities, it is primarily created for generating content of various sorts for your social media platforms, for your websites. You can create social media posts. You can generate social media ideas, blog ideas, newsletter ideas. There is a lot here that's engineered towards creating content for your platforms. I'll give you an example here of something that I created. This is a script for a YouTube video. So if you are looking for something that can help you with your YouTube videos, this is something that I created for our YouTube platform, and it is just very well formatted, very smart, a lot of really great information. And one of the great things about Blaze AI is that you can actually create a schedule for your posts as well. So it can really help you to make sure that you're consistent with your social media presence. And if we're looking at some commonality between the two of them, it's in the brand functionality. So we can create brand kits with Canva. We can also do the same thing here with Blaze AI as well. But at the end of the day, the main distinction is between creating content for your social media platforms, and with Canva, it's very centered around creating designs. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested, take a look in the description. You will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.